Have you ever wondered how a simple piece of metal transforms into a work of art or a functional tool? This is the fascinating world of metallurgy, a craft that merges science, art and sheer grit. Metallurgy at its core is the process of shaping and manipulating metals to create something new and useful. It's a craft that's been honed over centuries, and its influence can be seen all around us. Now, the types of metals used in this craft are as diverse as the objects we create from them. Iron, steel, copper, bronze and silver, each with its unique properties and uses. Iron, for instance, is known for its durability and strength, making it ideal for construction and heavy-duty tools. Copper, on the other hand, is highly malleable and conducts electricity well, making it perfect for wiring and electronics. Then there's the artistry of metalwork. From intricate jewellery to grand sculptures, this craft can be both functional and beautiful. Each piece is a testament to the skill and creativity of the craftsman, a tangible expression of their artistry. And the beauty of it all is that these are skills that can be learned and perfected over time. Yes, it takes patience, practice and a whole lot of perseverance, but the results, as you can see, are well worth the effort. But beyond the art and craft, metalwork is deeply ingrained in our daily lives. Think about it. From the coins in your pocket to the car you drive, from the cutlery you use to the bridges you cross, metalwork is everywhere. It's in the buildings that tower over our cities, in the devices we can't live without. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of transformation. In this age where everything seems to be made out of plastic, it's easy to overlook the importance of metalwork. But once you delve into the art of metallurgy, you begin to see the world in a different light. You begin to appreciate the skill, the craft, the sheer magic of transforming a simple piece of metal into something extraordinary. From the coins in your pocket to the car you drive, metalwork plays a crucial role in our lives. Now, you may be wondering, how does metalwork actually happen? Well, it all starts with an idea, a design. Much like an architect sketching out blueprints for a new building, metalworkers draft detailed plans for their projects. This can be anything from a simple piece of jewellery to an intricate wrought iron gate. The design phase is crucial, as it sets the path for the entire project. Once the design is in place, the next step is selecting the right metal. Different metals have different properties. Some are soft and malleable, others are hard and durable. A blacksmith might choose iron for its strength and versatility, while a jeweller could go for gold or silver for their beauty and malleability. It's a bit like choosing the right ingredients for a gourmet meal. With the design and metal chosen, we move on to the shaping process. This is where the metal is heated, hammered and manipulated to match the design. Imagine you're sculpting a piece of clay, except this clay is glowing hot and requires a lot more muscle and precision. Once the metal has been shaped, it's time for assembly. This could mean welding pieces together or fastening them with rivets. It's like putting together a puzzle, each piece meticulously placed to create the final product. Finally, we arrive at the finishing touches. This could involve polishing the metal to a high shine, adding patina for an aged look, or even setting gemstones in the case of jewellery. The finishing phase is akin to applying the icing on a cake, the final touches that make a piece truly stand out. So that's how a piece of metal transforms into something functional or beautiful, or both. It's a journey from a simple sketch to a tangible object, a process that requires skill, patience, and a deep understanding of the material. Just like any form of art, metalwork is a labor of love, a testament to the transformative power of human creativity. So, what tools do you need to work with metal? Well, it's fascinating to see how a simple set of tools can transform raw, unyielding metal into intricate, delicate designs. The world of metalwork has an abundance of tools, each with a unique purpose and role. Let's delve into some of them. First up, we have the hammer, a metalworker's best friend. The hammer is the most basic tool used for shaping and molding the metal. The weight and size of the hammer can vary, depending on the precision required for the task at hand. A larger, heavier hammer is used for broad, sweeping strokes, while a lighter, smaller one is used for detailed, intricate work. Next, we have the chisel, The chisel is a long, sharp tool that is used to cut and carve the metal. The sharp edge of the chisel digs into the metal when struck with a hammer, allowing the artist to create lines and patterns on the surface. The chisel is also used to separate pieces of metal, making it a versatile tool in the metalworker's arsenal. Now, meet the anvil. An anvil is a heavy, flat block of metal on which the metalworker shapes their work. The anvil provides a sturdy, unyielding surface that can withstand the force of the hammer blows. The flat surface of the anvil is crucial for achieving the smooth, flat shapes often required in metalwork. There are, of course, many other tools used in metalwork, each with their own specific purpose. There are tongs to hold hot metal, files to smooth rough edges, and drills to create holes. There are also specialized tools for specific tasks, such as punches for creating decorative patterns or shears for cutting thin sheets of metal. Each tool contributes to the transformation of a simple piece of metal into a work of art. They allow the metalworker to manipulate the metal, to shape it, to mold it, and to craft it into something new and beautiful. With the right tools, anyone can start their journey in metalwork. Working with metal can be dangerous, but with the right precautions, it can be as safe as any other hobby. Safety is the cornerstone of any task, and metalwork is no exception. The key to ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience with metalwork lies in three primary areas: protective gear, safe tool handling, and maintaining a clean, organized workspace. Firstly, let's talk about protective gear. Just as a knight wouldn't venture into battle without his armor, you shouldn't venture into metalwork without the right protective gear. This includes safety glasses to protect your eyes from sparks and flying debris, gloves to shield your hands from sharp edges and heat, and sturdy, closed-toe shoes to safeguard your feet from falling objects. A good quality apron or overalls can also protect your clothing and skin from sparks and hot metal shards. Next, we move on to tool handling. Like a maestro conducting an orchestra, every movement, every action is crucial. The same principle applies to handling tools in metalwork. Each tool, be it a hammer, chisel, or power tool, should be used in a controlled, deliberate manner. It's important to remember that tools are not toys. They demand respect, and when used appropriately, can create a symphony of creativity. Lastly, an organized workspace is not only a delight to the eyes, but also a safety essential. A cluttered workspace is a hazard waiting to happen. Always ensure your workspace is clean and free from unnecessary items. Keep your tools neatly arranged and within easy reach. Make sure your workspace is well lit to avoid any mishaps. Remember, a tidy workspace is a safe workspace. In summary, safety in metalwork revolves around these three pillars: protective gear, careful tool handling, and a clean, organized workspace. Each one is equally important and contributes to a secure environment where creativity can thrive. It's much like a well-oiled machine. All parts must work in harmony to achieve the desired result. Safety should always come first when working with metal. Remember, the greatest masterpiece you can create in metalwork is a safe and enjoyable experience. We've learned a lot about metalwork today, haven't we? We began our journey with a dive into the art of metallurgy. We discovered the magic of transforming raw, unyielding materials into works of art and utility. The process is a dance, a delicate balance of heat and force, and the products are nothing less than a testament to human creativity and resourcefulness. Then we delved into the process of metalwork itself. We saw how each step, each hammer blow, each careful adjustment contributes to the final product. It's a process that requires patience and precision, but the rewards are worth it. There's nothing quite like the feeling of holding a piece of metal that you've crafted with your own hands. We also explored the tools of the trade, those trusty companions without which metalwork would be impossible. From the humble hammer to the mighty forge, each tool has its place and purpose. They're not just tools, they're extensions of the craftsman, each one a testament to the skill and dedication that goes into this craft. And of course, we didn't forget about safety. Metalwork is a rewarding hobby, but it's also one that demands respect. The forge is not a toy, and neither are the tools. We learned the importance of proper protective gear, safe handling of tools, and the need for constant vigilance. Safety is the foundation upon which all else is built. So there you have it, the art and craft of metalwork in all its fiery, fascinating glory. It's a hobby that demands much but gives back even more. With practice, patience, and a healthy respect for the craft, you could transform raw metal into something truly beautiful. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start your metalwork journey today, and who knows where it could lead you.